Unscrew all the screws on the screen. Disassemble the screen, and be careful with the fan flat cable when doing so. Remove the fan flat cable. And remove the flat cable from the screen motherboard. Unscrew the screws on the screen motherboard. Take out the screen motherboard. Remove the Carplay insulation film and place it at the bottom. Take out the Carplay PVC board. Connect the small screen ribbon cable to the Carplay PCB board. When connecting, make sure to properly attach the flat cable. Align the Carplay PCB board with the screw holes and secure it in place. Connect the original car screen flat cable to the Carplay PCB board. Take out the Carplay big flat cable and connect it to the PCB board. Take out the Carplay small flat cable and connect it to the PCB board. Then take out the long flat cable of Carplay and connect it to the PVC board. You can use insulating tape to secure the Carplay PCB board. Reinstall the original car screen motherboard. Connect the Carplay flat cable to the screen motherboard. You can reconnect the original car screen motherboard flat cable. Tighten the screw again. Thread the Carplay long flat cable through the hole in the back cover of the screen. Reconnect the fan flat cable. Restore the original car screen. Connect the long, flat cable of Carplay to the small PCB board of Carplay. You can stick the small PVC board of Carplay on the back of the screen. Take out the Carplay LVDS cable and connect it to the small PCB board. Remove the two power plugs from the back of the screen. Take out the Carplay main cable and connect one end to the original car screen. The other end is connected to the original car power line. This wire is an AUX plug, which connects to the original car CD player. If the original car does not have an AUX, there is no need to connect this wire. Connect the Carplay LVDS cable to the box. Then connect the Carplay main cable plug. If the original car has an AUX, connect the AUX plug to the car's AUX port.